What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Jeff Building Stuff. Today we are continuing this go-kart restoration project. We're going to be taking a break from the frame, but today is still exciting because while we wait for the weather to warm up so we can paint this thing, we get to choose what motor is going to power this bad boy. And as you can see, we got options. 5 options to be exact. And I've organized them using math in a horsepowerful order. Ooh, we've got plenty to choose from. Which one will it be? The world may never know. Psych, I'm gonna tell you. Right after I explain all of the options and what we got going on here. Now, all of these motors are gonna be used for something. It's just what's gonna be perfect for this kart. Now, the thing you gotta remember is I'm restoring this kart for my son, and he's not even 2 yet. So I'm in a little bit of a rush, I guess, or I don't know. I got time, but I'm rushing it for some reason, and I don't know why, and I'm scared. Anyways, first up, I just picked up this 3.5 horsepower Briggs for 20 bucks. This thing, believe it or not, as corroded as that spark plug is, this thing fires right up. It's complete, it's not missing any pieces, and it's a Briggs & Stratton. You can't beat it. Good motor. Over here we have the motor that came on the kart. It's missing the pull start, it's missing the intake, it's missing the ability to start without blowing your eardrums back. Why couldn't you just be like him? Over here we have this Craftsman 179cc. It's a 5 horse. This motor is pretty much brand new and it was free, believe it or not. Somebody gave me a brand new snowblower. I yanked the motor and somebody scrapped the other metal parts. This motor is probably my second favorite option for this car. It's also electric start, so that makes it kind of cool. And then over here we got the infamous Predator 212. It's a 6.5 horsepower, 212cc engine. This one I pulled off of a free power washer I got, and as you can see, it's not in the best condition. I can't get that thing off, but I'm probably gonna cut it off. Bad motor! Bad motor! Over here we have an 8 horse Briggs & Stratton. It came off a snowblower as well. It's electric start. This one I think would be really cool to do a turbo build on a different go-kart. Here's our options. That's what we got. I'm thinking the one that's perfect for this kart is going to be the 3.5. This thing already runs and it's low enough power that my son can enjoy it without it being too dangerous. Also, I really like the retro look of these old Briggs, and that one's just not complete enough, and I don't want to get into that. This just seems like the perfect choice. So I know what you're thinking. Jeff, just slap the 8 horse on there. But you gotta keep in mind, it's for my son. I want him to live. I want him to live and have fun on this kart, not go 30 miles an hour, bust up a tree or something. So with that being said, that's what we're gonna go with. We'll clean it up, do some maintenance, and probably paint a few of the parts. I'm gonna try to make it look as new as possible. I think it'll look super good on the kart. So let's get it on the workbench. This thing's light as a feather. There she is, boys, in all her glory. Isn't she just beautiful? Look at the curves, the eccentric body, the way that the metal flows around the metal. Really just makes this thing look metal. Alright, enough talking and more disassembling. Let's do this. Alright, not bad. Pretty clean.
That was almost satisfying.
So we got everything painted, we got everything clean, and now it's time to start reassembling this bad boy. I also got a brand new spark plug to put in and a brand new air filter. Out with the old and in with the new. Fresh and clean, baby. Click. Exhaust. Every time I say come on, man, I think of Joe Biden. Come on, man. Yeah. Brand new air filter. Let's get some fresh oil on this old girl. Okay guys, are you ready to see how this motor turned out? And I know at the beginning we said we'd try to make this thing look as new as we could, and I think we did a pretty decent job. Check that out. Fresh oil, fresh filter, fresh plug, a good cleaning. And that's how she looks. Just for reference, in case you forgot, here's what it looked like when we started. I've seen worse. Not much worse, but worse. You watched me clean, you watched me disassemble, you watched me put oil in it. Let's see if this baby fires up. That should be enough. Give her a little squirt. Here goes nothing. Got it. Okay, he wanted to do something. Alright, take two. Can't beat that. After messing with the idle a little bit and stretching one of the springs, I was able to get it to idle super smooth. YouTube, that's all I got for you this week. Tune in next week to watch me continue on this go-kart restoration build. Until then, peace. Would you just look at it?